How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to talk about the problem that we have in the cryptocurrency market right now. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not trying to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt. All I am trying to say is there is an issue that has come up over the last day that we need to approach and to think about and to talk about. So, we're going to get into that. We're going to talk about crypto in general. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to take a look at where all this money is leaving and what is actually happening. What's the smart money doing? What's the dumb money doing? All that stuff in between. I'll tell you what I'm doing and some of the trades that I've made today because I have been trading a good amount. So if you guys don't mind just hitting the like button, I really appreciate that. We had a video on the cryptocurrency crash last night, and people aren't hitting the like button, but I do appreciate that. Also hit subscribe if you haven't done that already. If you guys want, I think this is a great time. If you were ever looking at buying into cryptocurrency, I think this is a great time to set it up on a platform that pays you interest. So BlockFi pays me 4 to 10% a month, depending on the cryptocurrency, and they're giving you a bonus. So right now, let's say you buy Bitcoin and it goes up to $55,000, which I don't think is crazy by any means. Even if that takes half a year, that's still a good return. They will pay an interest rate. So that yield that you're getting on your cost will go up dramatically as the price of Bitcoin goes up. So instead of a 5% rate or a 6% rate, it will be multiplied. So just keep that in your mind, whether you guys want to set that up or not. There's a link down below. There's also a link down there to Webull in case you want to buy more stocks today as opposed to cryptocurrency. I could understand that from a mental standpoint. Now, we have seen a crypto sell-off, right? We saw Bitcoin start at $45,000 yesterday. Now it's at 36,000, 37,000, 14% in 24 hours. Now it has come up about 20% from its lows. Ethereum, same thing. It fell below 2,000. We had Cardano at the $1 mark pretty much. So we have had, I believe, peak fear at this point. Now, there's something that's happening that I think is helping this sell-off, but might be bad for people long term. So what's happening? Well, it seems like every single platform is down. So we have Binance, Coinbase, BlockFi, Voyager. Every single cryptocurrency platform went down for one reason or another. In addition to that, we have Binance that says there's a notice of temporary Binance leverage token maintenance. So all temporary trading has been, or Binance has temporarily suspended trading for all Binance leveraged tokens except for BTCUP, Bitcoin down, ETH up, ETH down, BNB up, BNB down, etc. So they suspended trading there. Now, in addition to that, we have them also saying they're not allowing Ethereum or ERC20 withdrawals, and they're temporarily disabled due to network congestion. This is the problem I see right now, right? We see these platforms going down, which is not a good sign for people in the cryptocurrency space. We want them to be able to handle a lot of users on their platform at once. That is something that is a little bit frustrating. It's something that's worrisome. As soon as all these platforms went down, a lot of their CEOs, a lot of the companies themselves tweeted out, hey, we're having issues for this reason or that reason. We're sorry, we'll get it back. And as soon as we saw that, these prices started to jump up. And maybe it is just because we took away the selling pressure. But really what's happening right now is we are having a lot of leveraged positions be liquidated. We have a lot of new money, a lot of highly leveraged money losing money right now, getting out of the market, getting margin called, and it's causing massive sell-offs. We are having institutions continuously buy. We had Michael Saylor today tweet out, entities I control have now acquired 111,000 Bitcoin and have not sold a single Satoshi. So obviously he is happy to continuously buy. He has people that are willing to continuously pay for him to buy more and more and more and more and more. And he is happy to pick him up. I believe everyone that I've heard that is really I would say well educated in the crypto space, they've been buying today. They've been buying, and a lot of the highly leveraged, a lot of the new money is selling or being liquidated. Now, we did have this post too to Bloomberg. There's just a problem with all these withdrawals. There's a problem with all these sites in general. and it's causing, I'd say it caused a little bit of a panic, but now that cryptocurrencies are moving up, I think it's causing less of a panic than what we would have seen if they kept on falling, right? We've seen that in the stock market where we have certain triggers that are hit, right? If we fall too much, then there's that stop where we can't trade for so many minutes, and it's not official like in the stock market, but it seems like that because we continuously see these websites go down, which is pretty interesting. Now, looking at Bitcoin overall, we have it at 37,000. We are below this 200-day moving average. Now, this is not what we want to see. This is a signal to a lot of people that we are entering a bear market. Now, it's going to be interesting to see where this goes from here because we have jumped a lot, right? We were below 30,000, I believe, or we were right around 30,000. I should actually pull that up here. So we were really testing lows there for a while, and we were breaking through every single support that we had seen recently, and Bitcoin kept on falling. Now, Ethereum did the same thing, right? In minutes, we saw, 100 billion, a couple hundred billion seemed to just evaporate today. Now, we have seen a jump from there, right? We saw it fall down to about 31,000. So not quite the 30,000 I was talking about, but we saw it jump off there. It has returned a little bit. There's a lot of money entering back into the space. Cardano also fell to $1, just over $1. We had Ethereum that fell very significantly too, under 2,000. So what am I doing? I am buying, right? This is not money that I need anytime soon. I would never say to invest money that you need next week, next month, even next year maybe. And I'm not giving financial advice. Everyone, if you lose money, that's on you. I can't tell you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And I was happy to buy this dip. I increased my Cardano position by about 40%, right? I had, almost 50%. So I had about 3,250 Cardano, and I bought another 1,500 at $1.05. So honestly, I lowered my cost basis a decent amount. We have Ethereum. I bought some more Ethereum with my money, and I also bought more Bitcoin. I bought the dip on all these, and as it keeps dipping, I will continuously buy more. Of course, if you're out of money, then you can't really do much besides sit in the sidelines. But if you've been waiting a while to buy, now is a time that you can get big discounts. And I know a lot of people don't like to actually go buy when they are discounted because everyone wants to wait for the bottom, but no one knows where it is. But at this point, you can't be greedy. You have to kind of pick and choose because no one can really time the bottom. You might do it once in life. I used to play basketball, and I remember like when a big man like the center or the power forward would hit a three early on in the game, and he wasn't really someone that shot well. Like he was someone that just jacked shots. He just threw up shots. I knew that we had him because he would continuously shoot those shots throughout the game, and they weren't the best shots possible. And that is how it is when you time the market. Let's say you get it once in your life. A lot of people try to continuously time it from there. Now, again, you can do whatever you like. I am buying the dip. I think that over the long term, 2, 3, 5, 10 years from now, this is going to be a point where I look and think, why didn't I buy more? And at this point, I can buy more, but I've been putting a lot into the crypto space, so I am okay buying the dips as they come and not going all in and not being too fearful either. I am buying, and I will continue to buy as it falls. But let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know whether you're buying. Let me know what you think about all this. The problem is that we are not able to access our funds, and it does, I think it does show a problem in the crypto space. It also shows, there is too much leverage possibly in the crypto space. If we can see Bitcoin fall like this, Ethereum fall like this, Cardano fall like this with 50% drops, within 24 hours. Now, of course, we've come up from there a little bit, but it is still a little bit alarming. Of course, I'm not trying to spread fear, uncertainty, or doubt, as you can tell by the fact that I am buying this dip. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for checking out the video here on the end screen on 3 different altcoins that I think are great to buy during this dip, or 3 different cryptocurrencies, I should say, because hint, one is Bitcoin. I'll put it up on the end screen. Thank you for checking out the link down below to BlockFi and to Webull, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.